Hey guys, so today I want to share an error I faced while trying to run a Python file in Kali Linux. First of all, I typed this command and right after that it started showing errors line 8, line 9 up to line 12 and also syntax error near unexpected token. Now why does this happen? The reason is simple. The syntax itself is fine, but the way I tried to run it was wrong. Since the file is a Python script, using bash doesn't work. Bash is meant for shell scripts, not Python files. This is something that happens a lot when we're new to Linux, so don't worry if you see this error. The correct way to run a Python file is like this Python 3 Miss Holmes, py, and that's it. Once you run it with Python 3 instead of bash, the errors disappear and the script works fine. Just a quick note, this video is only for educational purposes. I'm not showing how to use the tool, only how to fix the common error that beginners face while running Python scripts in Linux. So yeah, this is not really a fix video for the script itself, but more of a little guide for beginners who might be stuck on this error. Hope this helped you guys out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Linux tips